Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you rename a photo on iPhone. So at first, just go to your photos that you want to rename. Now in the photo, click the bottom left, the share icon. Now just scroll here and click on save to files. Now in the bottom here you can see the name of the photo, click on it. Now just backspace to delete it and make your own name. Now to save the photo, click the top right save. Now just go back and go to your files. Here you can see the photo has saved with the name I have given. So guys, that's how you can rename a photo on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and stay with us by subscribing Tech Team. Thank you very much for watching the video.